how to upload a voice to ElevenLabs. So I'm over here at ElevenLabs at the homepage. Let's go to voices over here, click on voices, and then you have create voice over here. Click on that. Over here you will have instant voice clone or professional voice clone. Now on instant voice clone it says clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Professional voice clone, create the most realistic digital replica of your voice. Requires at least 30 minutes of a clean audio. So this is professional, which will be more accurate and better sounding. Also, in order to use professional voice clone, you will need to subscribe and get a monthly plan with ElevenLabs. So I will use instant voice clone over here. Now here you have two options. Option 1, over here you can click to upload or drag and drop a file, which is an audio or video files up to 10 megabyte each. Or the other option is to record your voice, just like I'm using now. I can click over here and start with the microphone that I have. It gives me 30 seconds to record my audio, but I don't know, it says 10 seconds of audio requires. I guess 30 seconds would be better. So if I click on that, 3, 2, 1, and now you start talking and let the AI voice catch your voice and generate an AI voice with it. I will show you now. I'm gonna stop it. It says 11 seconds. You can do 30 for a better quality, I guess. It says remove background noise from audio recording. Yes, I want to remove it. If I click next, it says you have reached your maximum amount of custom voice. So I already created 3 of them. You can upgrade your subscription to increase your custom. So I'm not paid, I use free plan. But if you click next, you will have voice information. They just want to get to information. You just fill it in, finish up, and you are done. So if I go back over here, I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna find my voice, which is called Liev over here. And let's listen to it. So yeah, if I want to use my voice, just go to text to speech. So you just find your voice over here, click on that, and then click play, and then click generate speech. Now it will not let me because I'm not using a plan. So if I click on that, see it says instantly clone voices are not available on your current plan. Please upgrade to your subscription. So yeah, that's how you add your voice, and you can just use it for anything you want to. So if this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.